Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat. In this video, let us create the role DTO. So here, go to Models folder, right click on it, add class role DTO, and this is the role DTO. The first property is ID property and string role name, and the next property is description. And next property is active. These are the 4 properties we required from the end user, and out of these 4, role name is required. So this needs system.componentModel.data annotations, and let me add that to the description. No, not description, is active also. Description is optional and ID is optional in the case of role creation. So this one is optional and description is also optional. So with this, role DTO creation is completed. From the next video onwards, let us start creating the role controller and start implementing the role CRUD operations. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.